Isaac Newton. What we know is a drop. What we don't know is an ocean. By Isaac Newton. Life of Sir Isaac Newton in a brief passage. Sir Isaac Newton was born in 1643 in Woolsthorpe, England. He studied about light, calculus, and celestial mechanics while he was on a break at Cambridge University. His father was a wealthy, uneducated farmer who died 3 months before Newton was born. Newton's mother remarried and he was left in the care of his grandmother. He attended free grammar school. Work and discoveries of Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton has discovered the gravity. In the years came on, Sir Isaac Newton was sitting under an apple tree. Then, few minutes later, an apple fell down onto his head. And then the wonderful story begins. Sir Isaac Newton realized there must be a force pulling the apple from the tree to the ground. As Sir Isaac Newton was intelligent, he started finding about this force. Some biographs say that it took 7 long years for Sir Isaac Newton to find about this force. This force was gravity. Now came Newton's brilliant insight. If the force of gravity reaches the top of the highest tree, might it not reach even further? Like all the way to moon? This would lead us to an amazing fact. The orbit of the moon, which is around the earth, could be a result as gravitational force. Sir Isaac Newton also discovered 3 universal laws. They are: Newton's first law states that every object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change its state by the action of an external force. Then the second law is the force on an object is equal to its mass times its accelerations. The third law is when two objects interact, they apply forces to each other of equal magnitude and opposite direction. Influence for Sir Newton to discover gravity. As I mentioned you earlier, an apple influenced him to discover the gravity. But not only the apple, his brain also worked brilliantly. Did you know? Newton determined that the gravitational force was holding the universe together and making planets orbit the sun. Awards and recognitions. Sir Isaac Newton received several awards and honors such as knighthood, the top mathematics professor at Cambridge University, admission to the Royal Society, a seat in Parliament and burial in Westminster Abbey. intelligence. In Newton's 17th century, our modern world has been molded or formed by the great service of Sir Isaac Newton. So it's our honor to respect him. Sir Isaac Newton was credited as one of the great minds of the scientific revolutions. To any action, there is always an opposite and equal reaction. In other words, the actions of two bodies upon each other are equal and always opposite in direction. Truth is ever to be found in simplicity and not in multiplicity and confusion of things. By Isaac Newton, scientist. So friends, thank you. Stay safe and bye-bye.